So, I'm doing a Mario Kart 8 Insanity series, and now I'm doing a Splatoon Insanity series. This game is going to make me rage a whole lot more than Mario Kart 8 ever has. Hey guys, Splatoon here. Welcome to a new series of Splatoon Insanity. You could probably get the gist of what Splatoon Insanity is if you've been keeping up with my Mario Kart 8 Insanity series that I made not too long ago as well. Because it's probably going to be the same thing as Mario Kart 8 Insanity, but with Splatoon. Because basically, I'm going to be showing off the best moments of a whole bunch of Splatoon matches that I play for the duration of this video. So without further ado, let's go.
You're a squid, you're a kid, 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 you're a squid.
This is the first thing that popped up on my screen when I tried to get into a turf war battle. Ah, much better. Go! Oh, I see. You know, I had a feeling that I was going to immediately start sucking at this game when I started recording. It's the same guy. It was the same guy. You know, I just realized something. We're winning by, like, a lot. And I got him. How many people have splat rollers on their team? Oh, get owned. And I have my Kraken. Let's go. I see you. I'm coming over there. No, I will come. Oh wait, you already died. Good for you. You died too. Good for you. Hey, back up. Back it up. Oh wait, I forgot. You can. My Kraken can go through stuff. It's the same guy again. I've only died from this guy. Oh yeah, we won. Oh yeah, that seems about right. Totally fair. I got it. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video, basically for this episode, I'm doing all turf war battles, and I'm using the Aerospray MG, I believe it is. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Oh, and we're on Hammerhead Bridge again. Where is Pink Team? Oh wait, there's Pink Team. But we are owning it up again. Oh! Oh wait, I got her though. Oh, you're gonna die. What is going on? Why can I not get up? Oh. Wow, we are just invading their base. Alright, work on my Kraken again. You know, just in case. I see someone leaving a pink trail. You're not supposed to do that. And let's go! I wanna get him, I wanna get him! Oh, yeah! Oh yeah, we totally won again. Alright, we're not on Hammerhead Bridge, we are in Bluefin Depot. I hope I pronounced that right. I always have a feeling I don't. Oh! Exactly. Serves you right, trying to be helpful to your own team. Oh! You know, I was about to fall off right there. Oh, how did I know that you were there? I didn't, that's the thing. Oh. Ah! Sound effects 101. It's loud. Oh! Haha, you couldn't do that. Oh. Oh! I will wait. I will wait. Oh. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. No! How did I not get? How did? Oh my god! I'm done. Work up the Kraken yet again! Oh, this is gonna be close, but we still pulled away the victory. Yeah. So, for the first 3 matches, I recorded it on Sunday afternoon, but for the rest of the matches, I'm recording it Monday after midnight. I just decided to point that out. And surprisingly enough, one of the stages is still Hammerhead Bridge. Sound effects 101 times 2. I don't even think the times 2 is necessary. Oh, wait, where are you? Well, I just got shown who's boss. I know there's someone there. I know. Can I climb up the thing? No! The power of the no! Oh wait, it's the Aerospray PG. Oh yeah, double kill. Finish him. I'm slowly inching towards the person. Oh! Slowly inching towards another person. Okay, well my other teammate got him. Oh, come on. PK Deluxe. Oh! Unintentional, but that's cool. Oh! No! And it's the same PK Deluxe. Oh yeah, we won. Come on, that's like 4 in a row. Apparently, I cannot leave Hammerhead Bridge. I know there's someone around here, and I was right. You were not slick. Where are you? Where? Nope, where? I know there's someone. Where did they go? Oh! Oh! Oh. Teamy. When did you get here? Yeah, that's right. Don't even dare think about doing that again. Where? Don't. Okay. How did I know that someone was there? Fly! Oh! And for the 5th time in a row, I win again, and it just keeps on sending me back to Hammerhead Bridge, and I keep on winning on Hammerhead Bridge, so yeah. Alright, now we're finally on not Hammerhead Bridge, we're on Blackbelly Skate Park. I know you're there. I know you're there! Sorry, my Kraken reflexes are very vulnerable. No! Yes! It's splat or be splatted! I see you, man. I'm the king of the world! Fear my pink ink. Oh, hey, that rhymed. Okay, unintentional. Exactly. Don't think you're getting off of that easily. Oh! Okay, I got both. Oh! You thought that the echolocator would have helped you, but nope, I got a Kraken. Oh, I still did by 2%, 2.1%. Oh yeah, the streak continues 6 in a row. Right, this is the final set of matches, going for a new server, and also the stages have been changed. No Hammerhead Bridge this time. Museum dell'Afonso! I know someone's there. I know someone's there. I'm coming to get you. Ah, Kraken reflexes. Go! Go! Oh. Oh. Oh, I know there's another one. Oh. Nope. Yeah, exactly. Oh, come on. Oh my. Okay, we're actually losing right now. My streak has been broken. Question mark? Alright, let's see if I have luck on Salt Spray Rig. Okay, well this guy's gonna die, like, yeah. Okay, who just sniped that guy? That guy, oh, okay, well he's gonna die, again. This guy's gonna die also. No doubt about that. Okay. No way you're gonna invade. Nope. See ya. Bye. Oh! Okay, I'm starting to counter for the losing streak, which is 2. But then again, there's only 1 match left. Sloshy. And we're back to Salt Spray Rig for a final match. That was my bad. No! Did you know I was here? You're dead. Oh, it's battle. Hey, you wanna come back here, bro? Oh yeah, that's right. Winning. I won for the last match of the episode. That's gonna be all. And that's gonna be all for the first episode of Splatoon Insanity, and I'll see you guys till the next one.